Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. Today looking at the Eachine E188 Airwolf armed helicopter. They say armed, it's not really armed, it just looks like it's armed, thankfully. This is a 1/34th scale Airwolf helicopter, and it features optical flow positioning, 6-axis gyro, 2-way return altitude hold, and it is brushless and operates on 2.4 gigahertz radio transmitter. Open the box and you'll see everything is very well protected. The manual is actually very good. Eachine are very good at writing these manuals so you can learn how to operate the helicopter safely. But take the plastic cover off top and you can see you get the helicopter, the radio transmitter, and 2 flight batteries. I think you can order it with 3 though. You also get spare blades and tools. Showing you this Airwolf up close. Clear windscreen at the front, lots of rivet detail on the black fuselage, machine guns at the side, afterburner lights at the black, and a nice contrasting white and black scheme. Okay, so I've put 4 AA's in the radio transmitter. Hold down the middle button to switch it on, and then make sure that top left switch is down for locked. That makes sure you can't accidentally start up the rotor on the helicopter. Hold down the button on the battery that you will have secured in the bottom of the helicopter. Wait until the 4 LEDs are lit up and then release the button, and it is ready. Then you have to wait until that flashing light goes solid green. That means it's completed its self-check and it's ready to take off. Unlock by using that top left switch, and then both sticks bottom outside, and the rotor and tail rotor will start up, and then just a little up pressure on the left stick to take off. Now the optical flow sensor underneath will help it maintain a position over the ground in this the same spot if you've got your fingers off the sticks. Now what I found out is that the speed is reduced when optical flow is on. Just having a look at those afterburner lights at the back, quite bright even on a dull day like today. But as I was saying, with the optical flow off, it will move around a lot more quickly, and even quicker in the high rate mode. So I'm going to turn off the optical flow with that right switch, and just show you this Airwolf up close to start with. Okay, so now I'm going to change to high rate mode, so I'm going to get even more speed out of this Airwolf. Okay, so coming into land now, best to switch to the low rate mode. Gives you the right level of sensitivity on the sticks. Now after I've touched down, there are two things you could do. You can either hold the left stick down and after a couple of seconds the motors will cut. Missed. Try again. Or you can use that arming switch on the top right. And down, that was better. So there you go, that's the new Eachine E188 Airwolf armed RC helicopter. Lots of fun to fly, particularly quicker if you outside if you switch off optical flow and use high rates, but indoors you would want to use optical flow, I think, to give you that extra level of stability and fly on low rates. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. If you've not subscribed to Essential RC, maybe you'd like to do that. Just click the button now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.